The stock market is crashing. S&P 500 and Nasdaq indexes are significantly down year to date. Should you sell? Should you buy? Waiting for the dip? Recently, we closed our Activision Blizzard position with more than 40% gain just in a month. We make also weekly updates about hot topics such as vaccine stocks. Is gold a good hedge against inflation? You can find the answers in our videos. We don't think that the market will face a huge crash because of private savings during the pandemic. If you want to hear more about stocks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.